friends.
I'm Ru.
I'm Vic.
This is our third German lesson, Schule und Schulesachen.
Let's begin.
This is the first part. We'll be doing a few pages here and the next few pages in the next parts. Let's discuss the title first. Lektion 3. Hope you know what 3 means. You have discussed it in previous classes. Lektion 3. Schule und Schulesachen. Well, Schule means school, und means and Schulesachen means school things. Sachen is things, so you can kind of think it of as stationery. So school and stationery. Now let's take a look at the image. In the image, we can see a school with the name Einstein Schule, as it is written just above the door. Einstein or Albert Einstein was a famous scientist who was of German origin. Let's continue. Schule is school. Next you can see a little boy saying, Das ist meine Schule. Das ist means that is. Meine means my. Schule means school. Das ist meine Schule. That is my school. Die Einstein Schule. Then he's telling the name. Die Einstein Schule. Let's take a look at the image below. In the image below we can see a classroom in which students are playing and studying. In the box or in the bubble it is written Das ist mein Klassenzimmer. We know that das ist means that is. Mein means my and Klassen means class and Zimmer means room. So basically that person or the boy is saying that is my classroom. Das ist mein Klassenzimmer. Let's move on to the next page. But before we move on to the next page, I need to give you a little bit of context. And this is a bit important, so please note it. So basically in German, there are few cases like nominative, accusative, dative, genitive. Don't bother all that. We just need to look at nominative. So just remember that there's a case in German called nominative, and that is what we are learning. Now, in nominative case, we have 4 divisions, or you can say genders: masculine, feminine, neutral, and plural. In the book, we will be showing masculine things as blue, feminine things as red, neutral things as green, and plural things as yellow. But this is not a fixed rule. This is just for the book. In German, we do not really have one the, like the, the, like in English. In German, we have multiple depending on the gender. So basically, there is a table that you're going to have to learn, which I'm displaying on the screen right now. In masculine, it is there. So anything that is masculine, which you'll be learning over here, will not use any other the. It will always use there. For example, let's take a kuli. Kuli is masculine, so we'll say their kuli. Okay? For feminine, it is the. So if I had to talk about Schule, Schule is feminine. So I would say die Schule. Let's take something neutral. For example, Buch, which means book. And since for neutral, das is the, so we'll say das Buch. For plural, we can take Augen. Augen means eyes. Okay, so it's like die Augen. So for feminine and plural, we use die. For masculine, we use der. And for neutral, we use das. Let me just give a quick recap and in a more shorter and simpler manner. Basically, in German, we have cases. We'll be learning the nominative case. In nominative, we have masculine, feminine, neutral, and plural. And each one of them has a different the. For example, masculine has their, feminine has the, neutral has das, and plural has the. So any word that is masculine will always be used with the there. For feminine, it will always be used with the. For neutral, it will always be used with das. And for plural, it will always be used with the. So in order to know that which thing is of which gender, so that we can apply the appropriate the, we need to learn them. So that is what we will be doing, but not in this class because the video is getting too long. So we will be beginning with the masculine gender from next class. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos ahead. Bye.